Good morning, everybody. It's just gone 5 a.m. in the morning and we're all up. We're getting ready to go to the beach. So enjoy the sunrise. I'll catch you a little bit later.
Hello! We're going to the beach!
It's a day out at the beach and it's not even 6 o'clock in the morning, guys. Everybody's ready to go. The sun's up. We got to get a tricycle first. Huh? Morning. A little bit chaotic today. We're off to the beach. Just to make sure we have enough to eat when we're away. Just a little bit of food that we're taking with us, plus everything else. Drinks, rice, and a whole horde of people. Everybody's getting together. I think there's about 20 of us going again. It's always a family day going to the beach. Oh, I'm stood inside of the local basketball court. This is used every day in every way. And later on, when we come back from the beach, we'll be back here again because there's a dance festival on. But the views, even from here, when you play basketball, are unbelievable. All homemade. Oh, for those that don't know, if you see these little fires everywhere, don't be too deterred. What they do is they put these fires, it stops mosquitoes, and they burn their rubbish. We're all getting ready now. Everybody's jumping in. We got a chimney in the background. That's going to be full with food and people. We're going in this. Everybody's jumping in where there's a space. I don't know how long the drive is going to be, but we'll soon find out. Oh, a minute. Oh, look a bit red. Right, let's mount up and move out. And we're here. We made it. We made it to the beach. Let's go and have a quick look. Wow, look. The sun is absolutely beaming down. The black sands, volcanic sands. Well, now we're here. We'll have a little bit of a look around. Oh, we've got this place here in front of us. It's all being cleaned out, look. So you rent these for the day and then you just enjoy. Wow. That's cool. There you go, sit with mother.
I'm just enjoying. Wow, very clear the water. Hindi na kaya. Saan ba yun?
Look how clear the water is. The water is crystal clear.
If you go there, then by then you can see the moon.
Now it's time just to get everything out the back of the gym. Just kind of give a hand. Oh. As you can see, one goes, all goes. Right, let's get this lot unloaded. Right, let's grab some stuff. Away we go. All hands to the deck when it comes to it. Oh, sunglasses, and off we go. The quicker we get this done, the quicker we can relax. We'll get everything all closed off, and then we can sit down and eat. This is a typical Filipino beach. It's not Boracay, it's Bakagay, which is different. So when the family gets set up, because we're here for most of the day, just take a quick wander down the beach. The water's crystal clear, but we're going to check it out and see what it's like. That is warm. It's warm water. We don't need these. Look at that. That is literally doorstep. If you look around, this is what you see.
Guide me there, whispered dreams. Guide me there, whispered dreams. Take me where the gentle streams can soothe my soul. Turn the sky softer blue. Let me find my truth anew. In the hush, 'neath the trees, nature's breath carries me of city lights, seeking signs within the night. On this path, steady pace, quiet noise.
We have in Movavi, we have kain po tayo.
In the end, kain po tayo.
Ay, nagalalas ko nga sa may dito.
Baoy, magalit yung sila.
Charot-charot lang. Belma. Bibigyan ko lang talaga yung pagkain.
Things you do. Like go for a swim. Oh, here we go. And the water is warm, warm.
Isugbit mo kaya kung resume.
Oh. Absolutely. Oh, here we go.
Tapos nakatsinilas.
Yo, of course. That's the only problem with some of the beaches. They look great, but underneath the water, oops, hold on, they look good, but there's so many rocks. And I'm a typical white boy. I've got tender feet. But the water's absolutely gorgeous.
Here is not so many stones.
Yeah, but you still got to get to the not so many stones in your... It's okay.
It's alright.
Yeah, it's all good. Just got to take the rough with the smooth. So, one of the boats, the bunker. So the local boat is going out. It's a tourist boat. And what he does is he picks up people to take them out into the ocean over there. And he's going to be back later. My wife has told me he's coming back later to pick us up. So we can go on a boat tour.
Yeah.
Which is going to be a bit of fun. It's a long time since I went on one of those boats. Oh, the water is absolutely gorgeous.
Yeah, very clear.
Very clear and very warm. That's unbelievable. It's not very deep either.
No.
It's literally, it looks deeper than what it is. If I stand up, everybody else is shoulder level, but I don't. In the heart of nature. You can't see it at the moment, but the Mount Mayon.
Hey! Hello!
And this is what you get. Stay local. Just stay local, you don't have to go very far.
Aman mo lang isip yan, ah.
Scholar siya da. Scholar.
Hello!
Hi, Kuya Ting.
Hi.
I'm here.
It's good here.
Yes.
Very nice.
Waterproof? Is that waterproof?
Yeah, this perfect for the job.
Yeah.
I use this.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Having a stroll down the beach and see the fishermen landing their catch. Drag nets, an old tradition. Very effective.
Uy, kadakil. There's a big one. There's a crab also.
Yep, there's a crab over there.
Or what?
Yeah, yeah. The one there. The one there.
Yeah.
Yeah. cat. There's a couple of little ones here, look. Little ones, tiddlers.
Il. Ipaksiw yan. Masarap yan, no? Ito ng gadong-dung.
Some of the things you see and do around here with the local fishermen. And Mel's enjoying that because she can relate and have a great conversation asking about what they've caught of the day and what they're doing. You'll see what Mel's doing. Oh, I think she's got something. Let's go and have a look. I think Mel's got something to take home. Let's have a look, shall we? See what we got. Oh, what we got? What we got? We got fish?
Yeah.
Oh, cool. That's fresh catch of the day.
Yeah.
And we're going to pay this young man. How much is he getting? So how much?
20 katao, ano? 20 katao? Ha? Ha? Ilang tao? 15? Ilang tao pa hindi?
Oh, may binasan. Kung ano mag-ano tayo
Maganda. Ilang tao po hindi sumakay? Okay na daw. Ano ka na?
Yeah, let's go on a boat ride.
Halika na! Go na! Go lang. Si Carvin, tira yun, oh. Carvin! Hawak ka nilang dito.
Anchors away.
Okay, babalik tayo agad. Sira ulo.
Off the bus. Ay, tatanggalin pala yung light dito. Oo. Mababawon?
Well, we made it. The water here is so crystal clear. It is unbelievable, and it's warm again.
What is, anong pangalan ng island na to? Bugyas Island. Oh, Bugyas Island.
Bugyet? So the island is called Bugyet Island, which is about a 15-minute journey.
Hi! Ano, Bugyas? Bugyas Island.
Whoop, steady.
Ha? Saan? Tayo ka muna. Pupunta ka ba?
The water is so clear. Unbelievable. On this rock. Just running out of battery life now, so you'll have to just put up with what I've got. Now in the distance, a cloud-covered Mount Maya.
Ano, kinabahan ka na? Kanina mo lang.
Now we're leaving the island. Untouched nature at its best. The coastline here is so beautiful, green. Distance, the rain is coming. All around the Mount Mayan, the clouds are gathering. All black and ready to drop its load. But we're nearly back now. In the distance, you can see it just there. In the distance. So we're nearly back. Bye-bye. And that was it.
Oh, sabi ko na.
Hindi may video single. Bye!
Dalag. Okay. Ah.
Kahirap sa videohan, tita. Baka mahulog ka na. Ay, si Tim nakapidyo yan.
Ano mababali?
Thank you.
Not you. Oh no, not you. You got it? Jump! Jump! Salamat, Kuya.
You enjoy?
Oh yeah, of course. Always. Kuya. Salamat, Noy.
Thank you, thank you.
In the bud, a newfound beat steps to the sound that's everywhere. Flipping scripts on shadow corners, gliding through the twilight's maze, echoing tracks from unseen performers. Found a world that music sways. Next chapter, a pulse he follows. Footprints in the urban dust. Lucid beats the city swallows. In every note he finds his trust. Outside the club, life rearranged in a new light. Found his groove, left the night fuzz. Heads returning, feel the insight. It's a rhythm in his motion. Urban poet smooth with his phrasing. Taking time, sets the notion. Can't help but nod to the beat he's raising. Yeah, okay, the vibe's so chill, beat so fulfilling. Trust in the music, ride the wave he's building. In the loop, he finds his space, turning corners, sets the pace. Ride the sound, his only chase, his mind adrift in the echo base.
Have a guess what you do when it's raining in the Philippines. I'm just about to show you. You go swimming. Because everybody goes swimming when it's raining. Because nobody cares. You're going to get wet anyway. So you might as well go swimming. Hello, dear. Hello, darling. Feet. There you go. Oh yeah, hold me up, baby. Oh, I'm drowning. I'm drowning. I'm drowning. If nothing else, you go swimming when it's raining. Hey, hey. Hey, 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 hey. I think my wife's trying to drown me. Yeah, my wife's trying to drown me. It was more than money. Bye bye.
That's it.